Hello, welcome to my channel. I'll be taking you on drawing spur gear today. But before that, I just want you to know that if you enjoyed the video from this channel, you can just click on the subscribe button and also comment. You can like the video and drop your comments. Thank you. So we are looking at spur gear. These are some of the formulas we'll be needing to draw a spur gear on AutoCAD. So usually questions we require that we are given the module, and then we are also given the number of teeth as well as the pressure angle. These are the three main things we'll be given. And then with those three things, you can calculate the circular pitch using the formula pi times m. Pi m is the module, and then you can calculate the tooth thickness, circular tooth thickness by dividing the pitch by 2, and then the addendum usually is equal to the module. The addendum is the space between the pitch circle, and the pitch diameter and the top of the tooth. While the addendum is the difference between the pitch diameter and the root of the tooth. So the gap between the pitch diameter and the top of the tooth is same as the module value. So, and then other factors are there that we can check. Now I have done the calculation here on Excel, and using those formula there, this question we have to deal with, we are given that the pressure angle is 20, the module is 10 mm, the number of teeth is 25. So with those values and the formula that we have discussed, we are able to calculate the pitch diameter to be 250, the circular pitch to be 31.42, the tooth thickness to be that, and all of that. So end of the day, what we are going to have is something like this. So I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can make this drawing. So the first thing we are going to draw here is a pitch circle diameter. Don't forget, we're not given the pitch circle in the question. We have to calculate the pitch, and since we know that the pitch circle diameter is the module is pitch circle diameter over number of teeth. So given the number of teeth and the module, just cross multiply and we can get the pitch circle diameter as 250. So we begin straight up by drawing a circle. We draw a circle with the pitch diameter, pitch circle diameter, and that is 250. So we draw a circle with a diameter which is 250. Now, so that we don't move so far, let's move it I'm part of it. So after that, we will now try to locate locate the pressure angle. To do that, we will take a line from the center. This is the approximate method of drawing a spur gear. So take note of that approximate method. Line from the center, we have that, and then we'll draw another line to meet the circle at the tangent, right? To meet the circle at the tangent, just draw that across. We have that. Now to get the pressure angle, we will now draw a line from here, from where the tangent made the circle. We'll draw a line and just set the pressure angle we're given is let's check that pressure angle we're given is 20. So we just set that to 20. The less than 20 we are typing is what keeps the angle at that level. So after we've gotten this is the pressure angle. After getting the pressure angle, we want to get the base circle. So to get the base circle, we take a line from the center of the circle to meet that line of the pressure angle at 90 degrees. So it means that now from that point we take a circle. That this our 90-degree line becomes the radius of the circle. So this is the base circle. So after getting the base circle, let's make it in a different color so that we can easily trace that. Let's change that color to yellow, for instance. After getting the base circle, the next thing we're going to draw is the addendum circle and the addendum circle. The addendum circle is 10 more than the pitch circle. So either that you're going to use a radius of a diameter of 10 plus 250, or you just offset the pitch circle by 10. So we're going to offset the pitch circle by 10 out. Yeah. So to get the addendum as well, either that we are going to subtract 12.5. all right, these calculations are very important, you take note of them. Now we're going to subtract 12.5 from 250, or we just offset the pitch circle by 12.5 inside the circle, not outside now. So I'm going to offset the pitch circle now through 12.5, but not outside, inside. So that we have drawn the addendum and we have drawn the addendum circle and the addendum circle and the addendum circle. So this is addendum circle, this is the pitch circle, this is the base circle, and this is the addendum circle. This addendum circle is the root of the teeth. The addendum circle is the addendum circle is the top or the roof of the teeth. So next thing we'll do is to get the tooth thickness. Tooth thickness was calculated here as 15.71. 15.71. So we'll come here. How do we draw that? We'll come here and we use an arc. This time we'll be using start, center, length. That is the preferred, since we don't know the angle or any other information. So this is the start of the arc. Mind you, the start of the arc is on the pitch circle. So that's the start to the center. Alright, so we specify the length. And if we come here, the tooth thickness is 12. The tooth thickness is 15.71. 15.71. So we specify 15.71. So that gives us, you can see it, that is the tooth thickness that we have shown, that's curve. So let's mirror it, mirror along this. So we have it here. So that we can easily trace it, let's color that as well. Let's give it a color so that we can easily trace. Let's make it red. So we have that. And the next step we are going to do now is to now complete the involute spur gear tooth. So how do we do that? We would take a line from the end of the tooth thickness to meet the base circle at a tangent. You can see that that's a tangent. We click that. And then repeat the same step from the other end to the base circle again at another tangent. So that's that. Now, from where this line meets the circle, we are going to draw a circle using that at the center. We use that meeting point at the center, and the starting point of of the arc as the radius. Repeat the same thing this time using the other side, the meeting point at the center, and this starting point here as the radius. So already we are done. So we take out the things that are not necessary. We no longer need this line. Let's take it away. We no longer need this line as well. Let's take it away. We no longer need this line. Let's take it away. We no longer need this line. Let's take that away. But for exam, you have to leave all your lines. Just change the color of the lines and let us know the one that you're keeping. So what is left? You take away this one too. We don't need it. We don't need this. We don't need this. Okay, so we begin to trim. Let's trim and see what we have left. This we go, this we go, this we go. Alright, this we go, this we go. Let's take away this, and this. Let's take this away also, and that. So you can see that we already have our involute truth. So the next thing to do is to take this across the whole shape. If you take this across the whole shape. But before that, we can do a fillet. We can do a fillet. So the fillet, I do the fillet radius was not given to us, so but I just did some calculations here. The width is 0.25, just it's supposed to be times 2 of the tooth thickness, alright? Times 2 of the tooth thickness, and then divided by 7, I got 4.48. Let's use 4.49. So let's do a fillet here. Fillet command launch that. The radius of the fillet is 4.49. Okay, so click the first object and the second one, that's that. Repeat fillet, click the first, second one, that's that. So we have our involute tooth, right? Spur gear tooth. So we now need to take this across the circle, copy that, using polar array as we discussed in the previous class. We can now take polar array. Alright, so the center, specify the center, and then the number of elements. If we can see our question, we're told that we have number of teeth is 25, so number of elements we specify 25. So we are almost done. Now what is left? So remove, trim the excesses. So this goes away, 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 this goes away. So that's that. We have been able to do that. We don't need this base, the base circle, and so take it out. But just in case, in this question, we're not given that there is any hole in the middle of this gear. So, but in case we're given that there is a hole somewhere in the middle of the gear, we can as well just put the hole. Let's say 50. So that is our involute truth for here. Alright, so with that, you can drop your comments on the comment section, like our video. If you have any special AutoCAD drawing you want us to run a tutorial for, put it on the comment section